Hi there! Welcome to Mathematics Alive, Algebra Lesson 24, Equations in One Variable. And we will be dealing today with verbal problems, particularly number relationships. Equations serve as mathematical models through which many problems in real life can be solved. To be able to translate a verbal problem into an equation, we must first translate phrases into algebraic expressions and statements into equations. Here are the steps in solving a verbal problem. First, read the problem with understanding and determine the given and unknown quantities. Number 2, represent the unknown quantities by variables such as x or y. Draw a figure or construct a table whenever necessary. Number 3, translate the verbal problem into mathematical symbols. Then, form an algebraic equation. 4, solve for the unknown. And 5, check your answer. If your answer satisfies the conditions in the problem, then you have arrived at a solution. Translate the following phrases to algebraic expressions. To translate phrases to algebraic expressions, use the variable x or y for the unknown numbers. Number 1, the difference between x and y is x minus y. Number 2, the sum of two numbers x and y is x plus y. Number 3, 5 more than a number is x plus 5. Number 4, 4 less than a number is x minus 4. And number 5, 4 less a number is 4 minus x. Let us look at the difference between numbers 4 and 5. In number 4, we have the word than. So 4 less than a number, we write x first or the unknown number first, and then you subtract the 4. And in number 5, 4 less a number, you write 4 first, and then you subtract the x. Number 6, 6 less than twice a number is 2x minus 6. Number 7, 10 more than thrice a number is 3x plus 10. Number 8, Felina's age 5 years ago, if her present age is x, gives us x minus 5. Number 9, Abby's age in 6 years' time, if his present age is x. So we add 6 to the present age, so we have x plus 6. Number 10, the square of the sum of x and y. So we get the sum of x and y, enclose it in parentheses, and we squared x plus y. So we have x plus y quantity squared. Number 11, the sum of the squares of x and y. So we square x first, and then we square y, and then we get the sum. So we have x squared plus y squared. And number 12, the difference of the squares of x and y is x squared minus y squared. Number 13, the cost of x notebooks if each costs 15 pesos. So we have 15 times x. 14, 3 consecutive numbers with x as the smallest. So we have x, x plus 1, x plus 2. And number 15, 3 consecutive even or odd numbers. Since the difference between consecutive even or odd numbers is equal to 2, then we start with x, then x plus 2, and then x plus 4. Translate the sentences to equations. Number 1. 6 more than twice a number is 20. So we have twice a number is 2x, and then you add 6. So we have 2x plus 6 is equal to 20. Number 2. Twice a number less 5 gives 27. So we have 2x minus 5 is equal to 27. And number 3. Fatima's age in 6 years is 24. So x plus 6 is equal to 24. Number 4. Nora's age 8 years ago was 1/2 her present age. So we let x be the present age of Nora. Represent her age 8 years ago. So we have x minus 8. Translate the sentence to an equation. We have x minus 8 is equal to 1/2 x. Number 5. The area of a rectangle is 400 meters squared. Since the value of the area is 400, so we have 400 equals length times width, because this is the formula for the area of a rectangle. And number 6, the perimeter of a rectangle is 90 meters. So the formula for the perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. So the equation is 90 equals 2L plus 2W. Now let's go to number relationship problems. Number 1. One number is 5 times another number. Their sum is 48. Find the numbers. Solution. Let x be the first number and 5x be the second number. So we add x plus 5x is equal to 48, and we have 6x is equal to 48. Dividing both sides of this equation by 6, we have x is equal to 8. The second number is 5x. So 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So the second number is 40. Checking, we have x plus 5x is equal to 40. This is the original equation. And then substitute the value of x. X equals 8. So we have 8 plus 5 times 8 is equal to 48. 48 equals 48. Hence, the first number is 8 and the second number is 40. Number 2. The product of two consecutive positive numbers is 72. What are the numbers? So we let x be the smaller number and x plus 1 be the next number. Since we're getting the product, we multiply x times x plus 1 equals 72. And we get a quadratic equation, x squared plus x minus 72 equals 0. Factoring this expression, we have x plus 9 times x minus 8 equals 0. And we equate both factors to 0. We have x plus 9 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. This gives us x equals negative 9 and x is equal to 8. But we reject x equals negative 9 because the unknown number must be positive, and we accept x is equal to 8. So x plus 1 is equal to 9, the next number, and checking them, we have x times x plus 1 equals 72. 8 times 8 plus 1 is equal to 72. So 72 equals 72. We have just checked our solution. Number 3. 4 times the square of an integer less 10 times the integer gives 50. Find the number. Solution. Let n be the integer. And then we get the equation by translating the problem literally. 4 times the square of an integer is 4n squared minus 10n equals 50. So we set up the equation into a standard form and divide both sides by 2 since everything in the left side is divisible by 2. So we divide this by 2 and we simplify the equation as 2n squared minus 5n minus 25 equals 0. And factoring this, we have 2n plus 5 times n minus 5 equals 0. And we have 2n plus 5 equals 0 or n minus 5 equals 0. So 2n is equal to negative 5, and dividing both sides by 2, we have n is equal to negative 5 over 2, and n is equal to 5. We reject n is equal to negative 5 over 2 since it is not an integer, and we accept n is equal to 5. Checking, we have 4n squared minus 10n is equal to 50, and substituting n is equal to 5, we have 4 times 5 squared minus 10 times 5 is equal to 50, and we end up with 50 equals 50. So the answer is correct. Number 4. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 66. Find the numbers. So we let x be the first number, x plus 1 be the second number, and x plus 2 be the third number. And we get the sum x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 66. So we have here 3x plus 3 equals 66. And adding 3 or negative 3 to both sides, we have 3x is equal to 66 minus 3 or 63. Dividing both sides by 3, we have x is equal to 21. And x plus 1 is equal to 22. X plus 2 is equal to 23. Checking, we have 21 plus 22 plus 23 is equal to 66. And 66 equals 66. Therefore, our answers are correct. There are many other types of verbal problems. In my next videos, I will discuss about uniform motion problems, geometry problems, and age problems. Follow my next videos to enhance your skills in problem solving. And please like, share, and subscribe to this channel by clicking the button below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.